Hello. Hello. Hello, how are you? Good evening. Hello, your video must be switched on. You must switch on your microphone. Read the chat. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me itu apa artinya? Bisa dengar suaraku. Ah gitu. Yes, yes.
Can you hear me? You must switch on your microphone and switch on your video so you can see your face. Hello, good evening. How are you? Hello, Mr. Mulyono. How are you? How are you, Mulyono? Hello, Diana. Hello, Diana.
Hello.
How are you today?
Yes.
Where are you now?
I'm fine.
Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Are you at home or in the office or where? Hello, Mr. Mulyono. Can you hear me? Ilham? Rahul? Switch on your microphone, Rahul. Where are the others? Where are the others? Hello, Mulyono. Good evening. Good evening, Mulyono.
Suara gimana?
Good evening, Mulyono. Can you hear me?
Ini.
Ramadian? Hello,
Yes.
Ramadian.
Yes.
Good evening.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Ini kah?
Ilham. Muhammad Ilham.
Salah satu ya.
Yes. Oh,
Tes.
yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Because so when you speak, you must put on your microphone. But if you don't speak, you must put off your microphone. Understand? Kalau bicara hidupkan mikrofon. Kalau tidak bicara matikan mikrofon. Video hidupkan, ya video hidupkan. Kalau semua hidup mikrofonnya tidak akan itu flash. Jadi kalau mau bicara mikrofon mati hidupkan. Kalau tidak bicara mikrofon dimatikan, di off-kan. Nah, kalau bicara nanti mikrofon di on-kan, dihidupkan. Ilham.
Hello, good evening.
Halo Ilham. Halo Ustaz Setiadi. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Okay, where are you now?
How are you, sir?
Where are you now, Setiadi? Setiadi, where are you now?
I'm in Pontianak, sir.
Pontianak. Oke, kita mulai ya. We start now from Ramadian. Greeting. Pertama greeting and your name. What are you doing now, please? From Ramadian. salam dulu. Masing-masing berbicara. Sama nih salam dulu. Saya greeting first, and then say your name. And where you are, di mana sekarang? Okay, please. Ramadian. Ramadian, speak Ramadian. Ramadian, Eka.
Yes.
Please say your greeting first, and then say your name, and then where you are. Di mana Anda sekarang? Apakah di kantor, apa di rumah? Sebutkan. Greeting dulu. Ucapan salam dulu pada teman-teman, ya, and then
My name is Rahmadian Eka Surya. I'm from house.
I'm at home. You must say gitu, good evening or assalamualaikum. Okay. Say to your friends, assalamualaikum or good evening, etc. And you can say your name, only that. And I'm at home or I'm in the office, I'm out. Like that. Okay, Ramadian. Say gitu pas good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, please.
Assalamualaikum.
Ya, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam. Say your name, please. Ramadian, say your name.
Yes.
My name is. My name is Ramadian. Please. It's not difficult. It's easy. It's easy for you. Your greeting and your name and where you are. It's not difficult. Please, Ramadian, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why don't you speak? You must say your greeting, your name, and where you are now. It's only that. Not more. Not more.
My name is Rahmat.
No, you greeting first. Greeting. I don't hear your greeting. Do you know greeting? Name is nama. Greeting. What's greeting? I say your greeting first, and you say your name, and then say where you are now. That. Your greeting. Do you know greeting? Coba lihat kamu apa greeting apa di greeting. Masa greeting tidak tahu?
Bentar ya.
Masa greeting tidak tahu? Greeting harus tahu. Greeting kan tahu udah SMP SD udah belajar greeting dah. Ibu guru SD itu kalau ngajar kan pertama apa? Apa langsung ngajar kan enggak?
Ucapan salam ya.
Iya, salam.
Ucapan salam ya.
Iya, itu kan ada kamu. Soalnya itu ada SD tahu, dah tuh SMP tahu gitu kan. Salam itu. Banyak baca kamus.
Yes.
Dan kita pertemuan itu semua pakai greeting dulu, pakai assalamualaikum, pakai salam, good evening. Ya langsung nama. Oke, please, Ramadian. Ramadian, yes. See greeting, your name and where you are. Say your name. Ramadian, can you hear me? Bisa dengar Ramadian? Tidak bisa dengar ya? Enggak, saya ngomong.
Putus-putus.
Enggak, Bapak berarti jaringannya enggak bagus di sana.
Mungkin, Pak.
Ya, karena Bapak enggak ada putus-putus ini.
Iya.
Nah, coba, itu bisa tuh enggak apa-apa putus-putus. Bicara aja, your greeting, your name, and where you are. Kan itu, 3 kata aja.
Yes.
Nah, iya, Pak, sebutkan coba. Kalau Pak benar itu ya, tiga kata enggak bisa. Your greeting, coba salam itu apa salam? Salam bagasi gimana? Apa selamat pagi? Kalau nggak bisa pakai salam, mereka assalamualaikum itu greeting namanya. Gitu assalamualaikum.
Iya.
Good morning, good afternoon. Itu pelajaran SD kan?
Iya.
Iya, masa nggak paham? Udah les kuliah. Say your greeting, your name. Nama siapa? How to say name? My name is Badu. I'm at home. Kan cuma gitu. Nggak payah kan? Itu tipikal kan? Tunggu sana coba. Coba Ramadian.
Iya, sebentar Pak ya.
Oke, lama. Coba dari Diana Francisca. Diana aja, dari Diana dulu. Kok lama bener? Salamnya kok lama gitu, Pak? Salamnya lama. Apa yang bener salam tuh?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Adi and hello friend. My name is Diana Francisca. I'm at home right now.
Oke, itu greeting. Lutfi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Adi and friends. My name is Lutfi Rizkyutami.
Ya.
Nice to meet you.
Oke. Ibu Sri Anita. Mic-nya dihidupkan, mic-nya dihidupkan. Mic-nya dihidupkan, tidak dengar. Mic-nya dihidupkan, mikrofonnya dihidupkan. Mikrofonnya hidupkan, ya, silakan. Anda dengar, belum dengar? Mikrofon.
Kayak tadi tuh putus-putus. Itu ya, putus-putusnya bukan dalam omongannya. My home complex residential.
Terus, mikrofon. Bu Sanita tak dengar, Bu Sanita tak dengar. Oh, Pak Ilham masuk nih, mana nih?
My home complex residential.
Terus, Bu Sanita tak dengar suaranya. Ada apa tuh? Tak dengar suaranya tuh. Tak dengar suaranya. Bu Sanita, ya oke, coba bicara coba. Nah, tak dengar. Tak dengar. Oke, lanjut dulu ya. Steady dulu.
Oke, sir.
Dulu ya, dulu ya.
Oke,
Tak
sir.
dengar. Oke.
Halo.
Halo.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, sir, Mr. Yu and my friend.
Ya.
My name is Tadi, and I still stay at home at
Ya.
Pontianak.
Oke. Ramadian, please, Ramadian. 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 Oh, jaringannya lelet. Ramadian tidak bisa.
Nggak bisa.
Nah, ya, lelet. Tidak bisa nyambung dia. Pak Briono, please.
Oke. Halo, assalamualaikum. Oke.
Pak Briono, please, speak.
Oke. Cek voice.
Yes, I can hear you.
Voice oke, sure.
Okay. Say your greeting.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Adi and my friend, my old friends. My name is Mulyono. I'm in home now in TPRI, Kompleks TPRI, Jalan Ayam, Pontianak.
Oke.
Oke, thank you.
Oke. Rahul.
Ya, Pak.
Please.
Benar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Rahul. Good evening, the listener Adi Mursalin.
Yes.
I am host Meswika.
Oke. Ramadian bisa? Ramadian Kasurya bisa? Ramadian,
Yes.
please. Ramadian Eka Surya bisa dengar? Bisa dengar?
Assalam.
Ya.
Yes.
Oke, please. Assalamualaikum. Wah, kenapa jaringan sana ya? Masalah jaringannya nih, jaringannya masalah. Nggak bisa connect ya. Kenapa jaringan sana? Apa nih?
Oh, nggak bisa nih ya.
Ya lelet jaringannya. Kalau jaringan nggak bisa, susah memang. Nyambung putus kan?
Ani
Bapak dengar enggak putus-putus. Bagus semuanya, tapi di sana kalau Bapak putus berarti jaringan di sana yang agak bermasalah. Oke, ya. Nanti kalau udah bagus baru kita sambung lagi menyambungnya atau bagus. Bu Sarnita gimana? Bisa? Bu Sarnita. Ah, enggak dengar. Enggak bisa dengar. Enggak dengar. Enggak dengar. Enggak dengar, enggak dengar.
ini suara ada tapi itu tak anu putus-putus.
Enggak dengar, enggak dengar. I cannot hear.
Jaringan sini bagus.
Dengar. Kalau Pak Sadi didengar, Lutfi dengar, Diana Ibu dan Mas malah nyaring sorenya, Pak Mul dengar. Ibu nih enggak ada suara. Ibu enggak ada suara nih, Bu Sanita enggak ada suara sekali. Nah, ada masalah dengan ini kali, masalah dengan laptopnya atau HP-nya ada masalah, nggak nyambung nih, kan? Atau nggak tahu Bapak mau apa. Terus kalau Ramadhan ini nampaknya jaringan sana tuh lelet, apa low, rendah, low band. Oh, maka terputus-putus kan? Sudah Bapak terputus kan? Berarti jaringan sana tuh lelet internetnya. Kalau Bapak sih tidak semua enggak masalah, jaring semua ini Bapak pakai WiFi gitu kan. Jadi jaringan internetnya yang bermasalah. Jadi dua nih masalah Ibu Sanita dengan Ibu Ramadhan. Bu Ramadhan bisa dengar tapi putus. Nah. Kayak Pak Ilham nih kan masuk keluar. Halo Pak Ilham. Pak Ilham. Mana yang lain nih? Mana yang lain? Mana Pak Mul? Yang lain Pak Mul?
Suara saya kedengaran itu kata yang sana enggak kedengaran.
Ya.
Di mana enggak kedengaran? Halo. Dengar? Halo? Dengar tuh? Dengar enggak? Coba bilang halo semuanya. Destiadi. Bilang halo.
Halo, gitu.
Diana, halo gitu. Diana, mic-nya dihidupkan. Udah dengar?
Halo.
Dengar kan? Pak Mul?
Halo.
Dengar. Lutfi?
Halo, Sir.
Halo. Terus ini? Harul? Halo ya?
Halo.
Bu Serianita? Enggak dengar kan? Ada masalah nih. Enggak dengar.
Lu keluar ini ya, hai sister aku ini.
Enggak dengar.
Hah?
Kalau Bu Ramadhan coba bilang halo nama dia. Halo bilang Bu Ramadhan. Mana Bu Ramadhan? Kecil suaranya itu. Dia hello kecil suaranya. Kedengaran sini. Kecil dia jauh nampak gitu. Nanti tidak masalah itu. Kan? Ya. Oke. Enggak apa-apa ya yang enggak anu bisa dengan Bapak tapi disomong nyimak aja ya. Dengarkan tidak apa-apa belajar bersama kan. Kalau yang oke. Sudah I have posted some question on WhatsApp group. Bapak sudah posting soal-soal kan? Untuk malam ini kan halaman 17. Salahnya enggak? Halaman 30 kalau dibuka asli ya. Kalau di fotokopi mungkin halaman 16 atau halaman 29 kali ini enggak. Mungkin sudah ada pertanyaan kan? Oke, Bapak Ibu kan sudah menulis jawabannya kan? You have written the answer on your book ya. Nanti di sini tinggal mengutarakan jawabannya ya. Membacakan jawabannya kan? Nah, jawabannya. Coba apa pertanyaan pertama coba? Halaman 17 kita. So, we come to on page 17. We come to on page 17. Buka halaman 17 bukunya kan? Ada buku kan? Nah, halaman 17. Di situ ada soal kan?
Ada, Pak.
17. 17 ada soal. Nah, halaman 17 ada soal kan? Halaman 17 ada soal betul enggak? Halaman 17 ya?
Yes.
Nah,
Yes,
buka buku tuh. Nah, kan? Halaman 17 buka soal, ini bukunya nih asli nih. Nah, asli. Ada di Shopee di Shopee ada jual Shopee ya. Enggak perlu Bapak beli. Ada di pasar di Shopee. Ketik ya English for Accounting ya. Ketik ya English for Accounting ya. Ketik English for Accounting ada di Shopee. Kalau mau aslinya kan. Itu ada di halaman 17 ada 5 soal kan? Ada there are 5 question on page 17. Oke. Will answer number 1. Siapa yang jawab nomor 1? Siapa? Nomor 1. Silakan, Lutfi.
Oke.
Read the question and answer. Baca pertanyaannya dan jawab.
Okay. Question number 1. What is meant by analysis of financial statement? What is the interpretation of financial statement? Answer. Financial statement for the company consists of reports reporting the company financial position at any given time, reported in the balance sheet and income statement calculation, as well as equity change statement and statement of cash flow, where the balance sheet represents the number of assets, liabilities, and company equity, while the analysis of financial statement is a process to learn the financial data so that it can be understood easily to know that financial position, result of operations, and the development of a company by studying the financial data, relation, and tendency contained in a financial statement, so that the analysis of financial statement can be used as the basis for decision making for the stakeholder, and also in conducting their analysis will not be separated from. By conducting an analysis of the financial situation will be able to determine a decision to be taken. Analysis and interpretation are interconnected because interpretation is impossible without analysis, and without interpretation, analysis is useless. Interpretation requires precise analysis. As an example of the current obligation has been separated from other obligation, it would be better of the angel of the financial manager to have information on the debt due in the time of a month or 6 months or for a longer time. This information must be obtained as the account age is not available in the report. Debt report should be detailed in order to measure the magnitude of the debt and the ability to repay it. For example, if the current obligation on a given debt expressed at the position of a certain value, and if desirable to know whether the business will be in a position to fulfill this obligation, then the value of liabilities will be compared with assets such as cash. Other current assets each are available to pay off liabilities.
Okay, good. So you can give long answer, yeah? Okay, good. Good answer. Okay, number 1. And number 2, please. Number 2. Will like to answer number 2? Who?
Saya, Pak.
Please.
Halo.
Hello? Please.
Halo.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Yeah. Who?
Sir, number 2.
What's your name?
My name is Ramadian Eka Surya.
Okay, please, Ramadian, please answer.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Describe the accounting cycle contained in the company.
Yeah, okay.
Accounting cycle contained in the company, analysis financial transactions and record them in general journal and special journal.
Yeah.
Move or post the transaction to the ledger. Prepare actual balance has not been adjusted. Prepare and adjustment data that prepare work papers or balance sheet at the end of the period. Make adjusting journal entries and post to the ledger. Prepare a trial balance after adjustments. Prepare financial statements. Make closing journal entries and post to the ledger. Prepare a trial balance after closing. Make a profit and loss statement. Thank you.
Okay. Good answer. Number 3, please. Number 3. Number 3.
Okay,
Okay, please. Sandy.
Mulyono.
Mulyono ya? Oke. Jawab nggak? Belum. Oke, silakan untuk jawab. Answer directly, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. The question number 3, mention parties who use accounting information and why do they use accounting information? The answer is 3 primary users of accounting information were previously identified: internal user, external users, and government. Each group use accounting information differently and requires the information to be present differently. This financial report is a formal report that provides information about the company's financial position, cash inflow, and outflows, and operating result. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, good. And number 4, please. Diana ya, Diana. Diana number 4.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, yeah. Question answer. Give an example of how accounting report can be used in the decision-making process. For example, from a financial statement in the form of an income statement can be submitted to the creditor so that the creditor can make a decision on how much the loan will be given to the company does not give at all the loan. Thank you, Chair.
Okay. Number 5, please. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Will saya answer number 5. Ibu Sarinata udah bisa belum itu Bu internetnya? Udah bisa Bu? Oh, belum bisa. Nyimak ya Bu ya. Nyimak dulu aja, nyimak kawan-kawan dengar ya. Nyimak dulu ya. Ya. Menyimak dulu, menyimak kawan-kawan bicara ya. Apa ya? Ibu simak aja ya jawabannya. Oke, silakan. Number 5. Lutfi number 5. Rahul. Don't be silent, Rahul. Rahul belum answer the question, please. Rahul.
Pak.
Bentar.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Maintain parties you as accounting information. For what do these parties as accounting information? Management as accounting information to avoid faulty and analyze the performance and financial position of the organization.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Rahul, dah? Dah. Steady mana steady? Number 5 sih steady.
Okay, sir. Question number 5.
Yeah.
Mention parties who use accounting information. For what do these parties use accounting information? My answer is internal user.
Yeah.
They are assessing how management has discharged its responsibility for protecting and managing the company's resources.
Yeah.
Next, making decisions about when to borrow or invest company resources.
Yeah.
And last, making decisions about expansion or downsizing.
Yeah.
With external user.
Yeah.
They are to know how a company is managing its investment and to record tax return and other documents often prepared by accountant. The next to get decisions such as whether to lend or how much to lend a business and to get investment behavior.
Yeah.
Next to government or IRS.
Yeah.
They are to know whether the business is paying taxes according to current tax law. Okay, so that's all. Thank
Okay,
you.
good. Can you number 6, please? Number 6. Please try to answer number 6. Open your book. Number 18, halaman 18, 18. With the question number 6. Question number 6, please.
Until 5, sir.
Number 6. On
Uh,
page,
I'm sorry, sir.
on page 18, 18, halaman 6.
Mr. Adi, I'm sorry.
18. Number 6.
Kemarin
It's me, Mister.
katanya Sir halaman 17 itu 5 soal aja.
Oh, gitu kah?
Iya, Pak.
On page,
Sampai 5.
ayo,
Jadi berikutnya kita chapter 2.
chapter 2 on page what? 30 ya,
The next
30.
is chapter 2.
Halaman 30. Oke. Oke, number 1. Number 1.
I'm sir.
We'll answer number 1 on page 30.
Okay, I'm sir.
Please. Directly speak.
I'm sir.
Yeah. Mulyono ya? Okay, speak.
Mulyono, okay.
Please.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
The chapter number 2, assumption and principles of accounting.
Yeah, please.
Number 1 question. Can you explain the principle of historical price side examples in determining the value in obtaining an asset type based on this principle?
Yeah.
The answer is a measure of value used in accounting in which the value of an asset on the balance sheet is recorded at its original cost when acquired by the company. The historical cost method is used for fixed asset in the United States under generally accepted accounting principle or GAAP. Okay, like this. Okay, sir. Just finish.
Okay, good. Nah, ada opinion maybe? Any ada opinion sampai dapat lain mungkin? No? If no, number 2. Number 2.
Agree with me.
Number 2. Number 2. Nikki?
Yes, sir.
Number 2, Nikki.
Number 2.
Yes.
Please explain the difference between the principle of recognizing actual income and cash basic income.
Yeah.
Actual basic in accounting basic economic transaction and event are recorded and presented in the financial statement. At the time the transaction occur without regard to the time cash is required. Cash basic is an accounting basic that recognizes the effect of transaction and event when cash or cash equivalent or paid with are used for revenue recognition, expenditure, financing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Number 3, please. Number 3. Lutfi. Number 3, Lutfi.
Oh ya Pak. Number 3. Why must financial statement be presented and reported on time? Because information must be submitted as soon as possible to be used as basic decision making.
Yeah. Okay, that's okay. Good. Okay. Ramadia, number 4 maybe?
Yes, yes, sir.
Number 4.
Number 4. Why short expenses and income be reconciled in the same accounting period?
Yeah.
Every company or business activity must conduct bank reconciliation routinely to avoid fatal mistakes in the financial statements and the financial condition of the company itself. There are two files recorded in a company, namely a general cash account of the company and a bank report that displays cash receipts and payments made through the bank. The reconciled report is a record of the company in the bank that often has a different balance. So it must be compared between the two so that difference can be known. There is a period. Every company or business activity must conduct bank reconciliation routinely to avoid fatal mistakes in the financial statement and the financial condition of the company itself. Thank you, Chef.
Okay, good. And then Diana number 5. Diana, Diana. Your microphone must be off.
Number 5.
Yeah.
What, in your opinion, why should financial statement be disclosed in full and completely?
Yeah.
To reduce the corruption and fraud and deception. Ensure that the readers and users of business financial information are not misled by any lack of information.
Okay, good. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, please.
I want to
what? What's it would be? Yeah.
mau menambahkan yang nomor 5, Sir.
Okay, please. You can add your number, please. Answer directly. Langsung jawab ya, langsung jawab.
I think because to provide information that can help the effectiveness of user decision making and present the necessary information in good financial reporting objective.
Yeah. Okay. Good. And then, still have we still answer? Okay. And then, masih ada jawabannya? Masih ada? Sudah? Finish? Lutfi, does you also finish? Sudah selesai? Okay. Jadi, where is Jadi?
Yes.
Number 6, Jadi.
Okay, sir.
Number 6.
What do you mean by the going concern assumption? My answer is the going concern assumption is basic assumption of accounting for a company that has the resource needed to continue operating indefinitely until it provide evidence to the contrary. If a business is not a going concern, it means it's gone bankrupt and its assets were liquidated. Okay, so that's my answer.
Good. And then, Muhammad Ilham. Yeah, sit on your microphone. Your microphone. Okay, Muhammad Ilham. Number 7, Muhammad Ilham. Number 7. Number 7. Oh, tidak dengar ya? Tidak bisa dengar. Halo Ilham. Hello. I cannot hear you. Hello. Your microphone. Halo. Dua tidak bisa dengar, Ibu ini dengan Pak Ilham tidak bisa dengar. Dua. Tuh, tak bisa didengar. Dua tidak bisa dengar. Ya. Ada masa dekat ini. Ya?
Mikrofonnya mati.
Mikrofonnya hidup dah bisa dengar. Dah hidup mikrofonnya tapi tidak bisa dengar. Tak bisa didengar. Hidup. Berarti ada dengan jaringan dua ibu atau ibu atau bapak nih ada masalah dengan audionya nih. Ada masalah, harus diperbaiki audionya sehingga tidak bisa didengar. Atau tidak disetting kali, coba setting audio di sana. Setting. Artinya pakai audio, video kan, atau kan, setting itu. Di setting. Atau pakai HP di setting atau di setting. Ya. Ini teknologi. This is the technology. So we must study technology. So, ya. Oke. Niki Pak. Siapa Niki? Niki nomor 7.
Number 7.
Ya.
Why shall there be a separation of will between the owner and the company?
Ya.
Is no separation between company will and owner will, which is a characteristic of the form of individual business entities. Explanation: an individual company is a company that is managed independently with a source of capital that comes from oneself. From this type of business, the profit and losses are wholly owned by the owner who is usually the manager of the company. Thanks, sir.
Okay. Number 8. Who is the number 8? Who is the number 8? Who is the number 8? Siapa mencapai nomor 8? Pak Mul?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
The number 8.
Yeah.
The question is, the article on assumption and principles of accounting and video record by using Pak, perintah record di YouTube, perintah record Pak.
Oh ya.
The number 8 is
number 8.
Perintah itu perintah record Pak.
Oh iya kah? Summarize.
Jadi kita masuk ke yang berikutnya.
Nah, pakai lah. Pakai kata-kata aja. Ini enggak apa-apa yang pakai speak. Tell. Summarize. Itu aja video record. Langsung ngomong ya sekarang. Kan saya
summarize the article as assumption and principle of
accounting and
video record.
Kan diutarakan. Express your opinion about the
tentang asumsi dan prinsip akuntansi rekam video ringkasan.
Oh iya, tapi
ini tidak saya rekam Pak.
Hah? Ya jadi rekam karena langsung ngomong.
Saya ada yang berikutnya.
Jadi rekam, udah langsung ngomong sekarang.
Jadi
direkam pakai YouTube.
Saya pikir itu Pak. Jadi saya tidak saya bikin.
Oh, udah saya bikin.
Jadi tidak saya bikin.
Kita kan utarakan di sini tidak direkam kan?
Summarize, iya. Tapi tidak saya bikin ini. Jadi saya baca.
Nah,
saya baca ini hanya record. Jadi saya tidak lanjut.
What again?
Berikutnya.
Halaman berapa lagi sekarang?
Oke Pak, sorry Pak.
Never mind. Halaman berapa
lanjut
sekarang?
ke yang anunya.
Halaman berapa?
Financial statement.
Halaman berapa?
56 Pak.
56.
Okay. Next chapter, yes.
56 ya, 56
number
ya.
1.
Hah?
Yes.
Oke. Pak Mu. Number 1. Pak Mu masih number 1.
Okay. Number 1.
Yeah.
Number 1, the question is, what is financial statement?
Yeah, okay.
The answer is formal record of the financial activities and position of a business, person, or other entity.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
So answer.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Bu Ramadhania, Miss? Bu Ramadhan, number 2, Ramadhan.
Yes.
Number 2.
Yes, sir.
Number 2.
Yes. Number 2, give the example of a financial statement for a company.
Yeah, okay.
Answer. Example of financial statement is in a trading company. Statement of financial position, balance sheet. The balance sheet consists of accounts, asset, asset that include but are not limited to cash cash and cash equivalents, inventories, receivables, tax and prepaid expenses, property, goodwill. Liabilities including trade payables, non-trade payables, provision, deferred income, equity, including share capital and retained earnings.
Okay, good.
Yes, thank you. Yes, sir.
Rahul, Number 3. Rahul.
Berapa, Pak?
Number 3.
4. Oke.
Number 3. Number 3. Nanti halaman 57 itu ujian akhir ya, Wadi ya. Lihat buku itu halaman 57 itu ujian akhir. Siapkan tuh.
Yes, sir.
Halaman 57 ya. Ujian akhir soal ujian akhir ya, Bapak tahu sekarang. Halaman 57 buku asli ya, buku ini. Halaman 57. Itu untuk ujian akhir, soal ujian akhir ya. Silakan nanti kerjakan masing-masing. Diketik nanti jawabnya diketik ya. Nanti dicicil ya, jawab diketik kan. Ketik jawabannya. Yang ini bagian buku ini ya. Yang buku ini. Nah, buku ini.
Halaman 57 aja ke Pak.
Nanti soal pertama bagian A. Dia tahu sekarang, jadi tidak persiapan, gitu kan? Tidak jauh-jauh. Nah, bentuk soal bagian A ini 57. Baca perintahnya kan? Oke, number 3. Rahul, number 3 Rahul.
Number 4 Pak?
Number 3. Number 4 belum jawab. Number 4.
Number 3.
Yeah, number 3. Number 3.
Maintain and explain the components of financial statement.
Yeah, okay. Mention and explain the component of financial statement. Apa tuh? Mention and explain the component of statement. Can you answer this question, Rahul?
Gimana Pak?
Gimana pula tanya. Can you answer this question?
Yes.
Rahul, can you answer this question, Rahul? No.
Financial statement. Ini jawabannya.
Iya, jawab. Iyalah.
Going counter of.
Apa? Ya, mention and explain the component. Apa komponen? Kok harus bentuk komponennya itu komponen apa saja? Jelaskan satu-satu kan? Apa komponennya? Jelaskan. So you can read the question. Mention and explain the component of financial statement. So you must mention the component of a statement first, and then explain one by one each component. Okay, that's the question, and you must answer. Can you answer this question, Rahul? No. Okay. You can answer number 3. You can help Rahul to answer number 3, please. Saya bisa bantu Rahul jawab nomor 3. Okay?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, Lutfi masih bisa nih.
Financial statement.
Number 3.
Financial
Mention and explain the component of financial statement.
Yeah.
Number 1, profit and loss report.
Yeah.
The first component is the statement of profit and loss. The profit and loss statement itself is a combination of income and expenses to be issued by the company concerned. First, for profit report is the revenue reports earned by the company within the specific time period.
Yeah.
As for the report of the loss is how much expenditure must be sacrificed by the company in order to be able to benefit. To make this statement of profit and loss is to be able to assess the company's performance over time.
Yeah.
Number 2, statement of change in equity.
Yeah.
Equity or capital certainly is not a will that runs the company.
Yeah.
This makes each company must have full control over the capital owned. It is no exception is regarded to the development of capital owned by the company for time to time.
Yeah.
Number 3, balance sheet. The balance sheet required by the company itself consists of 3 most major things. The things are assets, liability, and capital, where the 3 things that have been mentioned must be in a balanced measure for the good of the company itself.
Yeah.
The purpose of creating a company balance sheet report so that the company will at a specific period can be known in more detail.
Yeah.
Number 4, cash flow statement. Cash flow within the company are often used for the company production needs. For that reason, it should be made a raw report explaining in detail and also detail about the company cash, starting from the cash flow that goes to the company until the cash flow is coming out of the company.
Yeah.
Number 5, not to the financial statement. The final report is a summary of all the reports that have been made. This is because the record of financial statement are the synergy of the balance sheet report, the statement of cash flow to the budget realization report made by the narrative method. The creation of this report will be useful to the management of the company to take various important company decisions in the financial.
Yeah.
Okay. Sudah, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. And then Rahul, number 4, Rahul, can Rahul, number 4? Rahul.
Ya, Pak.
Number 4, can you?
Yes.
Number 4? Number 4? Rahul.
Ya, Pak.
Bisa nggak?
Explain the following balance sheet,
Yeah.
incoming statement, the statement of cash flow, and retained earnings statement.
Yeah.
So this is no getting or to reduce the risk of fraud against the money. This is managed in addition to the existence of a complete financial record. We can find out how much is our big expense and can control ourselves in spending the money. Dapat.
Iya, balik. Aku lagi sesuatu satu. Lebih, Bapak minum ya? Apa ke es ke? Ya, sekarang. Oke, Rahul. Ini ada yang lain mau nambahkan? Ada mau nambahkan? Want to add Rahul answer? Siapa mau nambahkan jawaban Rahul? Silakan untuk make it clear. Ya,
Oke, Pak. Oke, Pak.
Ya, siapa?
I'm the answer.
Siapa?
Jawabannya lain, Pak.
Siapa?
Mul, Pak.
Ya?
Pak Mul.
Oh, Pak Mul, silakan Pak Mul, silakan.
Pak Mul.
Ya, silakan langsung.
Beda jawaban, Pak.
Silakan, boleh, silakan jawab. Answer please.
Okay. Answer. Balance sheet is showing the entity asset, liabilities, and stockholder equity as of the report date. It does not show information that cover a span of time.
Yeah.
An income statement is showing the result of the entities, operation, and financial activities for the reporting period. It includes
revenues, expenses, gain, and loss.
Yeah.
And statement of cash flow is showing change in the entity's cash flow during the reporting period.
Yeah.
And then retaining earnings statement. Under the accrual basis of accounting, revenues received is in advance of being earned are report as a liability as the amount received in advance is earned. The liability account should be debit for the amount earned and a revenue account should be credit.
Okay.
Yes, like this.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. And then number 5, please. Ramadian Eka.
Yes, sir.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Yes, number 5.
Explain the classification of asset and liability and give their examples.
Yeah.
Answer. Asset classification. Number 1, non-current assets are assets that are difficult to convert into other forms. For example, trademarks, patents, lands, tools, machinery, and buildings only. Number 2, current assets that are not difficult to be converted into other forms. For example, securities, deposits, share, cash, trade, receivables, and merchandise.
Yeah.
Classification of liabilities. Number 1, current liabilities.
Yeah.
Short-term liabilities are liabilities due and payable within 1 year. For example, debt account, debt interest, income tax debt, the bills, bank account, overdrafts, short-term loans. Number 2, non-current liabilities.
Yeah.
Debts or obligations that are due in more than 1 year. For example, debt obligation, long-term notes payable, deferred tax liabilities, mortgage debt, capital leases. Number 3, contingent liabilities, liabilities that may occur depend on the outcome of future events, the ethics of the accounting profession. Thank you, Shil.
Okay, good. And number 6, Diana, please. Diana Francisca.
Number 6, give the example of the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flow in a company, and give brief explanation. Saya jawabannya tabel sama saya nih, Pak.
Nah, ini Pak tunjukkan tabelnya. You can screen, share screen. Let me share screen. Lihat saya. Ada filenya ya? Di share screen. Tidak ada. Ditunjukkan gini ya? Tunjukkan. Kayak gini tunjukkan.
Oh, okay.
You can like that. You can explain. Yeah. Ya. Bacakanlah. Nggak nampak. You answer using the table. Okay, it's difficult for you to explain. Yeah, but if you use circuit, it's okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, dah apa ya? Kita udah jawab pakai start tabel Linda. Steady.
Okay, sir.
Musik.
Okay, sir. Question: give the example of the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flow in a company, and give brief explanation.
Yeah.
My answer: the first, balance sheet. Balance sheet consists of the assets, liabilities, and capital of a business or other organization.
Yeah.
at a particular point in time, detailing the basis of income and expenditure over the preceding period. The balance sheet showing the receipt of the entity's operation and financial activity for the reporting period include asset, liabilities, owner equities, and the end total asset. This is my pick. Sure.
Ya, oke. Oke, good. Oke. So, untuk nanti kita untuk minggu depan, 2 minggu lagi ya. 2 minggu lagi. So, next 2 weeks we will practice reading ya, and translating. On page 64, halaman 64. Ya, kita 2 minggu lagi ya, 2 minggu, 2 weeks from now ya. Halaman 64 kita akan membaca, practice reading artikel, and then translating dan menerjemahkan. Halaman 64 sampai dengan 67 ya, no, one chapter ya, 77 ya, 77 sampai latihannya ada tuh ya, latihannya ya, latihan. Oke, sampai dengan latihannya ya.
Ini chapter 5.
Chapter 5 semuanya ya.
Chapter
sampai latihan ya.
5.
Oke.
Chapter 5. Oh.
Chapter 5. Sebelum kita tutup masing-masing everyone must give close word. Memberikan kata penutup. Apa manfaatnya yang dipelajari hari ini? Ya. Masing-masing memberikan pendapat kata penutup. Please from Pak Mul.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Kata penutup ya.
Good evening.
Good evening,
everyone.
Ya, good evening.
Okay. Check voice. Okay, check voice. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please speak.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Good evening. The study tonight is very
campur boleh
sangat bermanfaat.
Yeah, beneficial.
Sangat bermanfaat bagi kami untuk melatih.
Yeah.
Jadi untuk melatih teknis membaca, cara menjawab, terutama untuk speaking. Itu sangat berarti sekali. Jadi mengetahui kesalahan, apa yang sering salah, kemudian kita bisa membenarkan, memperbaikinya apa kesalahan kita itu, Pak.
Oke,
thank you.
Oke, Ramadian Eka Surya, please. Kata penutup.
Yes, sir. In the course tonight can provide insight and additional knowledge for me both in reading and understanding. Understanding accounting.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Setiadi.
Okay, sir. My closing remark is this discussion is so helpful for me because I can speak English, speak and language English, and I hope I can listen, and I give my next generation, and I can this lesson, and I can this lesson I used to my communication in my office. Okay. So thank you, sir.
Okay, Lutfi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
learning in this day. I can learn some vocabulary and how to read it, and hopefully learning they can be useful later in the day. And nice to meet you, sir, and friends. Good evening.
Ini baik pun.
Oke. Diana Francisca. Diana Francisca.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
This session greatly helped me in my English pronunciation and enhanced my accounting.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Nikki.
Yes, sir. Bisa melatih pembicaraan bahasa Inggris.
Ya, terus, oke. Ini apa? Kamu ya, kalau bisa ada apa?
Dan tahu tentang artikel.
Ya, terus. Udah ya, oke. Rahul. Mana Rahul nih? Rahul. Kok Rahul suka ngumpet? Rahul. Tak nampak wajah Rahul. Gitu Rahul, nampak gitu.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you for your attention. More or less of apology maybe as well.
Dah.
Ya.
Jadi nanti yang bermasalah audionya diperbaiki audionya supaya nanti bisa bicara kan sini kan, yang Ibu Sadita ngajaknya kan ada dengar Pak Ilham tadi itu kan juga bermasalah. Oke. Kalau setiap malam kita belajar Zoom ini tiap hari atau minggu bisa belajar bahasa Inggris kan, bisa berbicara bahasa asal ada kemauan, itu kan? Tahu nggak? Ya, bahasa Inggris itu untuk kerajinan, kepintaran kalau bahasa Inggris. Tapi untuk pandai bahasa itu cukup rajin, disiplin. Orang pintar bukan orang bahasa Inggris, belum. Nggak jamin orang bahasa Inggris. Tapi orang rajin itu tertentu, insya Allah bisa bahasa Inggris. Kalau mau belajar kan, belajar itu. Kalau tidak mesti belajar kan. Oke ya. I think that's all. At this time, I want to say good night and see you later next week. Have a nice day. Maybe you want to have dinner with your family. Remember me to your family. Sampai salam keluarga semua di sana. Semoga sehat selalu. Stay at home. Tetap di rumah. Oke. You can leave this meeting. Boleh meninggalkan rapat. Boleh. Silakan meninggalkan rapat.
Okay, thank you for your lesson, sir. And good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Boleh meninggalkan rapat, tekan tengah-tengahnya tuh leave the meeting. Nah, meninggalkan rapat. Oke.